Today we are just driving, going and going and going and going and going. It is just a wonderful experience what we are doing now. There. Bring. Nah. That's a mate. I know, I should have shifted. Welcome guys, welcome. We are now driving in I'm not sure which place is this, but we are approaching we are now approaching Rome from Milan. 3 hours, right? We left at 3 o'clock p.m. From Milan to Rome, it's about almost 500, almost 600 kilometers. We are already 3 hours 10 minutes now. In 20 minutes from now, we will be arriving in what's the place in Rome, right? So this is just inside the train. Butterfly, welcome, butterfly. Yeah, this is just inside the train. It's another section. You can see. That's my wife. She's a bit tired. Okay, bit tired. Right. So that's how it is, guys. I'm not sure where we are passing now. I'm not sure which place is this, but there are some cars going in. This is a train. We're inside a train. It's what you call a bullet train. Okay, bullet train from the from Milan to Rome. Okay, as you can see there, you see the speech, but I'll show you perhaps when it actually moves, in a very high speed. I'll show you guys. Right. So sometimes it's always very important for us as Africans. We need to travel, guys. Let's travel, guys. Let's travel the world. Let's travel the world, guys. Let's see how other people are living their lives out there. Yeah, it's always good. you know, it's always good to have, you know, such a wonderful experience in your life. Don't just sit in South Africa and just be suffocated by low shedding and all those type of things. Eish. Yeah, it's not nice, man. You know, it's not nice. Yeah, so that's how it is, you know. So, you know, sometimes we need to resume life.
You can like it in live stream.
Oh, I can like my live stream. Okay. I didn't know, my boy. Didn't know.
If you want 1,000 likes, tell me. I can give you 1,000 likes on your live stream. Only if my phone is full, I will.
Okay. Let's. Only 8 minutes.
8 minutes of what?
Of live streams.
But when we get out of the train, you disconnect. So when we're at the hotel, I think you should resume the live stream.
154. 60 likes.
You must get to 1,000 or 500, then I'll join you.
Oh. Why 500?
Then I can help you
Oh.
to 1,000 likes.
But these likes, they don't. These live streams, they don't stay in your channels.
They don't.
Boring.
So you have to record with a screen recorder.
Nah, it's boring. Yeah, traffic. Razong, next station. Yeah, we're here, my boy.
I'll stop.
I see feet. I am the train in the feet. Khoza. Nothing. The last stop. I still Ronald's number still a pay. Or sorry, I'm waiting here, the last one. Yeah, and she better big here. Cut in past 7. Mira. Yeah, it's on my sheet right more. More. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Now we are actually approaching. We are now approaching the station, the main big station. Main big station, right? Now this is the train inside. We're inside the train, guys. Inside the train. Inside the train. So we are actually approaching. You can see there. My daughter is tired. We've been going for about almost more than 3 hours. Yeah. So we left Milan at exactly at. It was exactly at 3 o'clock. So we just arrived now in Rome, from Milan to Rome. It's about almost 600 kilometers. But this train hit it within 3 hours, right? So by car, it's about 6 hours, but the train takes only about 3 hours. So yeah, you know, so everyone is preparing to take their bags. They're about to go out. This is now train tracks. It's going. Yeah, like I said, guys, you know, it's important. You know, as Africans, we need to travel. You know, this thing of staying in one place, being suffocated by load shedding in South Africa, is not nice, right? Rome is in Italy, right? We are now in Italy. You know, we're enjoying ourselves on a vacation.
Mr_1 joined.
Yeah, Mr_1. How are you? How are you, Mr_1? Another train is passing. Another train is passing. It's fast, very fast. Anyway, you can't see it because it's very, very, very fast. Right, it's very, very, very fast. Right, so it's passing. See now, we're approaching one of the biggest train station, you know, in Italy, called Rome. There's an airport as well, called Rome FCO. They call it FCO, you know, Fluminense. I can't spell it, but that's how it is, you know. Yeah, so it is actually approaching, right? So it is nice, you know. Let's see at the back. That's at the back. You see everyone put their bags, put their luggage. Where's our luggage? Luggage at the back, and there's another. Where's our bag? Okay, that's our bag is there. That's our bag there. That one there. Right. Otherwise, we've got these two, 1 and 2, right? And the other one is sitting at the back, and the other one is on the ground, on the floor. Right. So this thing, guys, it has got, you know, you sit nicely, you know, it has got tables, it has got, you know, your bin, there's got Wi-Fi inside. I'm not streaming using my data, no. I am using a train Wi-Fi, right? So it is such a nice experience. Like I said, nice experience. Sometimes it's always good to go out and travel, you know. So we are approaching the station now. You know, just want to quickly see, you know, how the station looking like inside. Just to see, guys, sometimes it's nice, to just spoil yourself. Don't just sit at home, and eat that money, You die without you having explored nothing. Come on. Explore life, man. Go out, I'm sure I can't make that noise because I'm in a train. There's some people that are just sitting next to us. So I can't make that noise, but at least I'm hoping, Mr. Underscore 1, you can hear me. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining the live. Really appreciate it. Give it a like. It's very important as well. Give us more likes. Share the live as well if you are able to. Share the live if you are able to. Right. So as you can see, everyone now is preparing now to actually do what? To take their bags. They wanna quickly go. Whitey, welcome, Whitey, welcome, Baba. Welcome, Whitey, welcome, Whitey.
Welcome you to...
Whitey, welcome.
Oh,
So as everyone is preparing to actually to... Yeah, Whitey. Are you sure?
If you see 0 equals to 0 people.
Oh, yeah. Here's another one.
Oh, 3. But this one's slow.
They're all Italo. They're all fast.
How fast?
Very fast. This thing can run. It's a pity this route, the route that we're going through, they're not allowed to speed. But you can see. There's another one fast.
I'm sorry.
It just left. Yeah, this one, yeah. Yeah, Milan. Get home. Sorry. Get home, babe. Get home. I'll face out now. No, I'll get back to my house, babe. We have to wait. I said feet. Where am I? I'm feeling the station. I love it. You want to get a hotel, la hotel, What's the jacket, babe? Babe. And the charger, no, even the charger, see there, look at that.
Smart.
Yeah, babe. Babe. We can't just leave parking. Are you getting my point?
Why not?
Everyone is sitting down. We should wait until the train.
You know they are heavy.
Wait, I'm coming.
Her power here. She's trying to figure it out. She go to this church and try to turn the hair into hair.
You know they are heavy.
Oh, sorry.
There's no longer.
Why can't you go out of this life? Because now you can't even focus. Well, life didn't want careful, there's a shower there. This is close as hell. Okay. This is our stop. You guys help with this suitcases that are already down. Help with this that are already down.
There's another one.
Love is teddy bear. Gotta get it. Gotta hold this. Hold this.
Stand in front. Stand
Love is teddy bear.
stand next to this one.
Love is teddy bear.
Take it down. Leave it outside.
Time.
Okay. AKI, welcome to the stream. 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 Okay,
Give a big one.
Okay, how many things are here? Yeah. And then we have how many now? 3.
So that one, put it.
Show that another small one.
999 likes.
There's a bag.
The train. Okay, so. Okay.
There you computer.
Here's a small one.
999 likes.
Okay, go. We'll go this side. Check.
But I'm holding a phone. Fine. It's fine.
They'll see like this.
Okay.
Let's go.
Do the other one. Quick.
Take it, help me. Okay, let's go over. Fine.
Before the train closes. Take that one. It's about to close. Alright, dude, it's still recording. And 1,000 likes. Check the likes, Diddy, 1,000 likes.
I can end the stream in 5 minutes.